Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. Punctuation lesson 4, Mastering Dashes, your guide to clarity in writing. In this tutorial, you will discover the essential functions of dashes in your writing. This comprehensive lesson covers both M dashes and N dashes. Here's a breakdown of what students and educators should know about dashes. Dashes can be of two types, M dash and N dash. Please note, M dashes are usually represented by typing two hyphens which are automatically converted by word processors into a single M dash. M dashes take spaces on either end, whereas N dashes are written without space on either end. M dashes are used to introduce an explanation or clarification. For example, he was late for the meeting. His alarm didn't ring. Here, the second clause, his alarm didn't ring, clarifies the first clause, he was late for the meeting. M dashes are used to replace colons, for instance. The exam was challenging. It covered a wide range of topics. The dash replaces the colon as the second clause explains the first. M dashes are used to replace the semicolons. For example, I pay the bills. She has all the fun. The dash replaces the semicolon. M dashes are used to replace the ellipses. For example, I needed trust. The dash replaces the ellipses. M dashes are used to mark a sudden break in thought. For example, I was planning to go to the beach today. Oh, wait, did I leave the oven on? The dash marks the sudden break. A pair of M dashes are used to enclose extra information. For example, the city, bustling with activity, never seemed to sleep. Here, the phrase bustling with activity is enclosed extra information. A pair of M dashes are used to replace a pair of commas or brackets. For example, Jonathan, my neighbor's son, won the science fair last year. Please note, a pair of commas, brackets, and dashes can be used interchangeably to set off non-essential information. N dashes are used to indicate ranges, relationships, or connections. For example, range 1999 to 2024. Relationship, father, daughter. Connection, Bangalore to Mysore. Please note, N dash is written without space on either end of it. Let's test our understanding of the functions of dashes. Explain why M dashes have been used in this sentence. Look at the sentences. Your sentence options are, and the right answer is option 3. Identify the type of dashes used in the following sentences. Look at the sentences. And the right answer is sentence 1, M dash, sentence 2, N dash. Identify the word in the sentence after which a dash could be inserted. Look at the sentence. And the right answer is after when. Select a sentence that separates non-essential extra information using dashes. Look at the sentences. And the right answer is option 2. Identify the sentences that require a dash to introduce an explanation. Look at the sentences. The right answer is sentences 1 and 2. Add a dash after the phrase mobile phone in sentence 1. Add a dash after the word beautiful in sentence 2. After which word should the other dash, the dash that is part of the pair of dashes be inserted in the following sentences? Look at the sentences. The right answer is add a dash after the word politician in sentence 1. Add a dash after the word reasons in sentence 2. Which sentence uses dashes correctly? Look at the options. And the right answer is option 2. Add a pair of dashes in the correct place in the sentence. Look at the sentence. The right answer is enclose extra information in a pair of dashes. Identify how the end dashes are used in the following sentences. Look at the sentences. The right answer is sentence 1, range, sentence 2, connection, sentence 3, relationship. Hope this tutorial elevates your quality of writing and communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's master punctuation marks together.